Welcome everyone. Team 7, well, not on an adventure. I'm in my backyard. I've been here like for 2-3 weeks straight, like every day, except for some days I gotta go to the store, go running around. But hope everyone is doing well. Everyone's staying safe and being healthy and taking care of themselves. Not going crazy. Anyway, interesting news. I just heard about an hour ago that Epic Universe is going to delay the construction. Well, Universal, I should say, is going to delay the construction of Epic Universe, which struck me as kind of weird because I was just there yesterday and I was flying the drone around, and yeah, it really didn't look like anything was going to be delayed or anything was going to, like I just thought it was going to just keep going on. And if you've been following the channel, I'm going to go to the store right now. If you've been following the channel, you already know. I've been watching them move that dirt for quite some time now. I got tons of footage of that dirt just moving back and forth and up and down, and more than I should. But anyway, in the Orlando Sentinel, it says Universal is pausing construction of its Epic Universe theme park in Orlando as its parent company stands to lose $500 million in profit if the park remains closed for the entire second quarter. Comcast executives said on Thursday. I read like a robot. Anyway, whatever. The new park was set to open in 2023. The company previously had disclosed. Although Comcast CEO Brian Roberts did not say how much delaying construction would affect the project's overall timeline. Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings said, I didn't even know that was the mayor. Go figure. Well, I live in Osceola County. Anyway, Orange County. Jerry Demings said senior Universal officials told him Wednesday the project would be delayed for a year. Okay, so I mean, given the current climate and all the stuff currently going on in the world, I can see that. But I read through it, and there was a part in this all that kind of made me think, because I know you know there's going to be some expansion, and Universal has the rights for a lot of other pretty cool things to come to the parks that we haven't seen yet. So, and let me see where there's a part in this story. I apologize. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, take this time. Hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel grow. And if I grow, you grow. You already know. We're going to have fun with this all together. We're all going to have fun doing this. So.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so this is the part right here. Universal spokesman Tom Schroeder said Epic Universe's delay gives contractors, vendors, and Universal creative partners more flexibility to work together within a changing environment. Do you know what I'm thinking? In my mind, I'm already thinking we might see Pokemon Land on opening day. So, and there's always a lot of rumors, speculation about a Pokemon Land. If you look at the blue sky concept, just on the left side, just north of Nintendo Land, it kind of looks like Charizard is standing there. You see kind of flames and stuff. So I don't know, was that a little Easter egg or what? But it does look like Charizard, and Pokemon rumors flying, and that would work for me. Okay, and then also he goes on to say, this is about timing only. Our confidence in our business, our community, and our industry is as strong as ever. We will share more specifics as we move forward. So I'm thinking in all of this, we might get more at the end product. So, well, that's what I'm hoping for. Fingers crossed. But anyway, if you want to see that video of me flying, it was very windy yesterday, so the drone really didn't like it. Got a lot of high wind warnings. I apologize for the tilted horizons and some of the erratic movement. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've noticed 93% of the people who watch my videos aren't even subscribed. So if you like what we're doing, just hit that subscribe button. And until the next adventure, deuces.